Welcome to LIDA day number 20. And today we're going to talk about something that you can do. You go to work, or you're maybe in the home office, and you have some props you want to share with the audience. And so I got a couple of props here you want to think about, what I would bring up and talk about. Then let me give the bigger picture here. So here is my favorite mascot. I got this from Korea from my nephew, and so this is a very nice mascot. You can take a look at this here. This Master of Universe is protecting us. And here's another prop. One of my old favorite cars throughout the time. The Volkswagen. This is a pink Volkswagen, and with a surfing board here. So can you imagine going to Baja, Mexico from San Diego, and you go surfing? What a day that would be. So those are just sort of some props that you want to talk about and create a little bit of a story and a fun live video. So the question is, which one do you like better? This or this? I like both of them, but maybe I would choose this one. See you tomorrow. So that was our LIDA day number 20.